Hey everyone, welcome back! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from your bank account to your PayPal balance using the PayPal mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the PayPal app on your phone. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your email address or phone number and your password to sign in. Now, before you can transfer money from your bank to your PayPal account, you'll need to make sure that your PayPal balance account is verified and your identity is confirmed. If your account isn't verified, you won't see the option to add money from your bank. Once you're logged in, you'll need to check if your bank account is already linked. If it isn't, tap the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Add Banks and Cards. From there, select whether you're adding a bank, a debit or credit card, or an Amex Send account. Enter your bank or card information and verify it if necessary. Once your bank is successfully added, tap Home to return to your main PayPal dashboard. Now, from the home screen, tap Add Money next to your balance. If you don't see this option, go back to the Accounts section and tap Balance. You'll find the Add Money option there. Next, select from your bank or debit card. A new menu will appear where you can choose your funding source. Now, enter the amount of money you'd like to transfer into your PayPal account. Keep in mind that if you're transferring from a debit card, there are limits. You can transfer up to $5,000 per day, $10,000 per week, and $20,000 per month. Once you've entered your desired amount, you'll have two speed options. If you choose in seconds with debit, your transfer will go through almost instantly. If you select in 3 to 5 days with your bank, the transfer will take a few business days to process. After choosing your preferred option, tap Confirm or Transfer, depending on your device. Once your transfer is approved, your funds will appear in your PayPal balance, ready to use for payments, shopping, or sending money to others. And that's it! You've successfully added money to your PayPal account from your bank using the mobile app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides like this one, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.